Within the admin settings, production and order settings, production and order pending times, you can set the production turnaround time and the days that you are doing production, whether it be Monday through Sunday or Monday through Friday being your 5 business days. The typical turnaround time in the decoration industry is 2 weeks or 10 business days. But maybe you're swamped and you don't want to be quoting a fast turnaround time. Maybe you make it 15 business days. And again, when your customers checking out, they're going to be quoted the total turnaround time. So we're going to take this production days and then we're going to add the shipping time frame to create the full turnaround time that the customer can expect their order to be available for pickup or arrive at their doorstep. You can also use rush order fees to allow the customer to pay more to get an order quicker. The production turnaround time will also be included on the quote and order sheet that the customer receives. You may as well want to add production blackout dates. These are typically holidays. So, every December 25th, almost every business is not going to be in business at that moment, that day. January 1st, that's another very common holiday. Very rare we open on New Year's. So we can set the time frame that our shop is going to be closed so that when the customer's being checked out, they're still being quoted the proper turnaround time. A holiday can really set us back, and it seems like almost every holiday falls on a Monday. And when it falls on a Monday, our carriers and our suppliers are backed up, and before you know it, our production is delayed like 3 days. So it's a good idea to get these production blackout times or days configured so that you are accurately always quoting the correct turnaround time. You can also set the default production schedule. So what I can do is say, we're going to schedule this job 5 days before it is actually due. So this is just allowing us to set the default schedule date for an order, which you can always update within the order itself. Once you've configured the production turnaround time and your blackout dates, come into the Business Hub and Order Display settings, and if you would like, you can color code your orders so that you can let your staff know, okay, this order is about to be due. We're going to make it in red and kind of really bring it to our attention that we need to get this thing taken care of. Versus a new order that has, we're nowhere close yet to the actual due date. We're going to just leave it green and not put as much pressure on ourselves to do it. So color coding the way your orders are listed within Business Hub can help your staff know how close it is to being due. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.